Welcome to Focus on Finance. Today we're tackling a topic that affects millions: debt management. Debt can feel overwhelming and stressful, but don't worry, we're here to help you navigate through it. Managing debt is crucial for financial stability and peace of mind. It's about taking control of your money and securing your future. We'll guide you through effective strategies and resources available. This journey is about empowerment and taking charge. You can become debt-free and achieve your financial goals. Let's get started. Before you can conquer debt, you need to understand it. Debt is not just a single entity, it's a multifaceted challenge that requires a nuanced approach. Debt comes in different forms, each with its own quirks and characteristics. Understanding these differences is crucial for managing your finances effectively. Credit card debt is like that tempting dessert. It's easy to overindulge with high interest rates and revolving credit. The allure of instant gratification can lead to a cycle of minimum payments and mounting interest, making it one of the most challenging debts to manage. Student loans can feel like a heavy backpack, often with long repayment terms. These loans are an investment in your future, but they can also be a burden that follows you for decades. Understanding the terms and exploring options for deferment or income-driven repayment plans can lighten the load. Mortgages are a big commitment, like buying a house. They typically have lower interest rates but last for years. This type of debt can be seen as a form of forced savings, as you build equity in your home over time. However, it's essential to be aware of the total cost of the loan, including interest and fees. Personal loans are like borrowing from a friend, with fixed interest rates and set repayment periods. They can be used for a variety of purposes, from consolidating other debts to funding major purchases. The key is to ensure that the terms are favorable and that you have a clear plan for repayment. Knowing your debt type is the first step to creating a winning strategy. Each type of debt requires a different approach, and understanding these nuances can help you prioritize payments and manage your finances more effectively. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into strategies for tackling each type of debt, helping you pave the way to financial freedom. Now let's explore proven debt management strategies. Managing debt can feel overwhelming, but with the right approach, you can take control of your financial future. Let's break down some effective methods that can help you on your journey to financial freedom. First up is budgeting. It's the foundation of financial control. Creating a budget allows you to see exactly where your money is going each month. By tracking your income and expenses, you can identify areas where you might be overspending and make adjustments accordingly. Track your income and expenses. This means noting down every source of income and every expense, no matter how small. Use tools like spreadsheets, budgeting apps, or even a simple notebook to keep everything organized. See where your money is going. By analyzing your monthly expenses, you can pinpoint unnecessary expenditures and find opportunities to save. This step is crucial in creating a realistic and effective budget. Next, we have the debt snowball method. This strategy focuses on paying off your smallest debts first, regardless of the interest rates. The idea is to build momentum and motivation as you see your debts disappearing one by one. List your debts from smallest to largest. Start by organizing all your debts in order of balance, from the smallest to the largest. This visual representation can help you stay focused and motivated. Attack the smallest one first, regardless of interest rates. By paying off the smallest debt first, you achieve quick wins that boost your confidence and keep you motivated to tackle the next debt on your list. This builds momentum and motivation. Each debt you pay off is a step closer to financial freedom, and the sense of accomplishment can drive you to keep going. The debt avalanche method focuses on interest rates. Unlike the snowball method, this strategy targets the debt with the highest interest rate first, which can save you more money over time. Target the debt with the highest interest rate first. By focusing on high-interest debts, you reduce the amount of interest you pay overall, which can help you get out of debt faster. This saves you money in the long run. The debt avalanche method can be more cost-effective in the long term, as it minimizes the total interest paid. Don't be afraid to negotiate with creditors. Many people don't realize that they can negotiate the terms of their debt. Contact your creditors and ask for lower interest rates or waived fees. Ask for lower interest rates or waived fees. Creditors are often willing to work with you, especially if it means they will get paid. You might be surprised at what they're willing to do to help you manage your debt. You might be surprised at what they're willing to do. Successful negotiations can lead to significant savings and make your debt more manageable. Debt consolidation can simplify your payments. This involves combining multiple debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate, making it easier to manage your monthly payments. Combine multiple debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate. Debt consolidation can streamline your finances and potentially reduce the amount you pay in interest. Just be mindful of the new loan terms. It's important to carefully review the terms of any consolidation loan to ensure it truly benefits your financial situation. Look out for any hidden fees or conditions that might not be immediately apparent. When it comes to repayment, one size doesn't fit all. Balance-driven plans calculate your monthly payments based on your total debt, interest rate, and loan term. Income-driven repayment plans are designed for federal student loans. Your monthly payment is based on your discretionary income. This can be a lifesaver if you're struggling to make ends meet. Types of IDR plans include income-based repayment, pay-as-you-earn, and revised pay-as-you-earn. Each plan has different eligibility requirements and benefits. Section 5. Seeking expert guidance. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Navigating the world of debt management can feel overwhelming. Don't hesitate to seek help from qualified professionals. Financial advisors and credit counselors can provide personalized guidance. They can help you create a tailored debt management plan, negotiate with creditors, and explore debt consolidation options. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. Section 6. Government programs and resources. A helping hand when you need it most. The government offers programs and resources to assist with debt management. Debt relief programs can help reduce or eliminate debt. Student loan forgiveness initiatives like public service loan forgiveness can forgive remaining balances after a certain number of qualifying payments. The Biden administration recently announced plans to cancel up to $20,000 of student loan interest for eligible borrowers. This initiative targets low and middle-income individuals enrolled in IDR plans. Section 7. Staying debt-free. Tips for long-term financial health. Congratulations, you've tackled your debt. Now let's keep it that way. Live within your means, spend less than you earn, avoid unnecessary expenses. Build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This will cushion you against unexpected financial setbacks. Use credit cards responsibly. Pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Maintain a good credit score for future financial endeavors. Section 8. Conclusion. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. This is the moment where you take control of your financial destiny. Imagine standing at the peak of a mountain, looking out at the vast horizon of possibilities. Just like a hiker who sets out on a challenging trail, your journey to financial freedom begins with a single step. Managing debt is a journey, not a sprint. It's a winding path through a dense forest where every step forward brings you closer to your goal. Along the way, you might encounter obstacles and detours, but with perseverance, you can navigate through them. Think of it as a long road journey where each mile you cover brings you nearer to your destination. It takes commitment and discipline. Just like an athlete training for a marathon, you need to exercise determination and stay focused on your financial goals. Whether it's working diligently at your desk to manage your expenses, or making sacrifices to pay off your debts, every effort counts. The discipline you cultivate now will pay off in the long run, but the rewards are worth it. Imagine the sense of accomplishment you'll feel when you reach a financial milestone, like paying off a significant portion of your debt, or achieving a savings goal. These moments of celebration are a testament to your hard work and dedication. They remind you that every step you take is bringing you closer to financial freedom. Financial freedom is within your reach. Picture yourself holding up your hands in victory, looking at a clear sunrise that symbolizes a new beginning. This is the promise of financial freedom, the ability to live life on your own terms, without the burden of debt weighing you down. It's a future where you can make choices based on your desires, not your financial constraints. Remember the key takeaways. Create a budget, explore repayment options, and stay informed about your financial situation. A well-structured budget is your roadmap to success. It helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring that you live within your means. Exploring different repayment options can provide you with the flexibility to manage your debt more effectively, and seek professional help if needed. Don't hesitate to consult with a financial advisor or join a support group. These professionals can offer valuable insights and strategies tailored to your unique situation. They can help you navigate complex financial decisions and provide the support you need to stay on track. Take advantage of government programs and resources. There are numerous programs designed to assist individuals in managing their debt and achieving financial stability. Whether it's financial aid, grants, or low-interest loans, these resources can provide the support you need to overcome financial challenges. And most importantly, believe in yourself. You can do this. Confidence is key. Look in the mirror and remind yourself of your capabilities. Positive affirmations can boost your morale and keep you motivated. Remember, every great journey begins with the belief that you can succeed. Thank you for joining us on Focus on Finance. We hope this series has provided you with the knowledge and inspiration to take control of your financial future. Your journey to financial freedom is a continuous process, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Subscribe for more tips and advice on achieving your financial goals. See you next time. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies to help you navigate your financial journey. Together, we can achieve financial freedom. See you next time.